Your AI has no memory. Every conversation ends, and everything you discussed, every decision, every architecture debate, every why did we do it this way is gone forever. MemPalace fixes that. It's a local, free, open source memory system that just scored 96.6% on long mem eval, the highest published score requiring zero API calls and zero cloud. It stores your conversations and code in a structured palace of wings, rooms, and drawers, then lets you search across all of it instantly. Today we are going to install MemPalace on a real system, and then we are going to mimic a real fast API code base, and to top it off we are going to connect it to a local Ollama based model so that everything stays local and private. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. The system which I'm going to use is this Ubuntu. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, and the reason why I am showing you this is because I have Ollama installed and running Gemma for 31 billion. You can use any model of your choice. If you don't know what Ollama is, how to get it installed, just search my channel. I'm going to create this virtual environment, and if you're looking to rent a GPU, CPU, or any sort of VM, you can find the link to Massed Compute in videos description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. And now let's install MemPalace through pip. And while it installs, let's talk a bit more around what exactly this is and what is the internal architecture of this. Everything in MemPalace is organized like a building. A wing is a person or a project, your top level container. Inside each wing are rooms, specific topics like auth, billing, or deployment. Rooms in the same wing are connected by halls. When the same topic appears across two different wings, say auth exists in both a person wing and a project wing, a tunnel connects them automatically. And at the bottom, every room has a closest pointing to a drawer. To a drawer, the closest is the summary. The drawer is the original verbatim content, which means never lost, never summarized away. This hierarchy is why it scores like 96% on recall. Your AI always knows which wing to walk into before it starts searching. So that is the whole idea behind it. Meanwhile, MemPalace is installed. Now let's check out how exactly this works. So we just installed MemPalace, sorry, and now we need to initialize it against our project directory. This is our project directory and this is what it looks like in VS Code. It is quite a heavy sort of GitHub repo. I'm using this full stack fast API template repo by fast API's creator Sebastian Ramirez. You can use any one of your choice. I just wanted to make it more realistic. It's open source and Apache, so I'm just using it. It's a production grade template with Docker, Postgres authentication, and a React front end. Lots of real architectural decisions baked in. As I said, you can use any repo of your choice. So I'm just going to initialize MemPalace within the root of this repo. And it was very quick. MemPalace just scanned the repo and detected entities automatically, as you can see here, people, project, and all that stuff. Projects like dashboard, traffic, and Docker. This is how it builds the wing structure. We are just going to accept all of it, so I'm going to just press enter here. It says anything missing, I'll say nope, so I'm just going to press enter. All the entities are now saved. You can also review it, but I'm just going to press enter because MemPalace, as you can see, has now mapped the entire repo structure into rooms, backend, front end, testing scripts. So this is our palace taking shape. I'm just going to accept it as is, and everything looks great now, which means that the MemPalace is initialized and the config is saved. MemPalace now knows the structure, the wing, the rooms, everything mapped. Now we need to mine it. And for that, the command would be this, where we are just using MemPalace with mine. This is where it actually reads all 193 files and indexes them into ChromaDB for semantic search. It is pretty fast. And that's the whole palace built now. 181 files processed, as you can see. Over 1000 drawers filled across front end, back end, script, and more. Everything is now indexed in ChromaDB locally, and we really haven't made any API calls at all. Now, the fun part, you can simply use this MemPalace to do a very, very comprehensive search. So, let's say I'm asking about this authentication approach and just see how fast that would be. Let me press enter. Let's wait. There you go. All done. So if I just go above, look at this. Semantic search across the entire code base instantly. It found the JWT token creation, Argon 2 password hashing, timing attack prevention, and even the bcrypt to Argon 2 upgrade path, all from a single natural language query. No zero API call, zero cost, completely local. Now let's connect this to our Ollama so the model can actually answer questions using this context. So let me quickly clear this. So for the Ollama integration, this is the script which we are going to do. The script does two things. It calls MemPalace to search the code base locally and then passes those results as context into Ollama's JAMA 4 model, which answers your question. And let me now take you to my terminal and we will run it here. Let's run this. It is for searching the MemPalace, and now it is asking the Ollama the question. So it got the context from there and it is going to ask the Ollama about it and then going to give us a grounded answer hopefully. So let's see what sort of result it comes back with. And if you are wondering what we are asking about it, I'm just asking about some, password hashing, authentication, server, that sort of stuff. And then this is a code base which we are using. There you go. So meanwhile, Ollama has given us the response as per the code base. It's a structured, sorry, accurate breakdown of the entire auth system. And this is the whole power of this stack, in my humble opinion, because it hasn't just given us a very superficial, shallow answer. It talks about automatic hash upgrades on login, timing attack prevention with a dummy hash, and all this stuff. So this is pretty good. You know what? Let me do a very quick one, another one too. I'm just going to clear and I'm going to just create a Python script on the fly. And this time I'm just asking it another one. So this is just going to ask it and then run it. Let me quickly run this. It is now searching the MemPalace and again doing this. This is the same stuff but with a different twist. Let's see if it is. I'm able to show you that one too. Let me open it in the VS Code. So this is the next one which I'm using, that how do I deploy this project to production. So there you go. So if I just go up, it is now searching that query. It has built it up, provided the context, and then it says that to deploy this to production, you can this. Pretty good. All very, very grounded, very nuanced response. So that's it. MemPalace plus Ollama, your entire code base indexed locally, queried semantically, and answered by a local LLM. Zero data leaving your machine. It's free, it's open source, and it just scored quite well. If this was useful, please do me a favor, like and subscribe for daily hands-on AI videos, and also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. Thank you for all the support.